To optimize your business performance, you need the ability to accurately predict the likely impact decisions will have on your organization before you take action. To do this, you need to factor in contingency and mitigation plans into every decision. When defining your organizational strategies, you need to include your risks when prioritizing and making decisions. As you execute, you need to put appropriate controls in place to mitigate these risks. The SAP Business Objects portfolio helps you proactively manage your risks by allowing you to identify and plan around areas of concern, predefine mitigation plans, make and model risk-adjusted decisions, and automate monitoring so any changes in conditions are highlighted. When you unleash the power of opportunities to take the second step toward strategic alignment, predictable performance, and confident decisions.